Today we're going to unpack and review Lidsto R1 robot vacuum. We're going to unpack it right now. As you can see, there is a huge interest in the vacuum. We have here manual. Actually packed very well. This is the vacuum. It's actually pretty large in size. I didn't expect it to be that large. These are mop pads. Okay. Oh, these are the bags for the collection, for the garbage collection. And this is the main base station. It might work for us because it's actually very large container. So what do you think, Rex? Do you like it? Not sure yet? We'll see how it will work for us. Okay, let's see what we have inside. This is some kind of filter probably, which you can wash. Goes there. This is the garbage collection bag. Put here. This is of course one-time use, so when you will be out of them, you can buy new ones. And what we have here, one more thing left in the box. What is it? Oh, this is like a microfiber mop, I think. This is mop attachment. So you just, I think, how do you attach it? You just click in. It's very easy. Okay, so you just have a microfiber mop attachment, which you can remove, and you can use those one-time use attachments as well if you don't want to wash the microfiber one all the time. So whatever you prefer. And it's very easy to discard, and microfiber just slides in, so you can wash it and use it over and over. And we removed it very easily as well. The whole attachment for the mop. It's very easy. Going to set it up over here. We'll see how it works. We're going to test it right now for about 2 weeks before we record the second part of the video.
Charging.
What is it, Rex? Your new vacuum? What do you think? What do you think, guys? Let's see if it will get out from under this cabinet now. Obviously it has sensors which are guiding him over the room. It did get out. It's cool. Rex is interested. It's like, what the heck is this right now? It is pretty quiet.
Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to chart.
Where is it, Maya?
Starting to collect dust.
Okay, right now it's emptying the vacuum. And it's actually very cool because it's
Dust
telling you.
collection has been completed. Charging.
It tells you what's happening, so it's very cool. Right now this robot vacuum is available on Amazon for less than $400, which is like half of the price of its competitors, so it's actually pretty good. I think at first it was checking the room, and right now it actually knows which area to clean. Looks like it. As you can see, it easily goes around the furniture. So the sensors are working actually great in this vacuum. We're going to do a little test here. I'm letting this vacuum clean the whole room here, and then I'm going to use Dyson V11 to see if it's going to pick up more dust and pet hair. We did restricted area around the Christmas tree, so it's not going to go under the tree. It's actually a great feature on the application that you can divide two rooms. You can make restricted areas where you don't want the vacuum to go and clean. You can actually set up remotely cleaning. You can set up cleaning schedule. You can change the mode, so vacuum will go from mop to vacuuming automatically. You can do that manually. There's a lot of cool settings in the application. Okay, robot vacuums actually finished vacuuming this area here, and right now we're going to use Dyson V11 to see if it will pick up more dust after this little robot vacuum. And look at this. This is what we got after the robot vacuum actually cleaned whole room. So we used, like I said, Dyson V11 to vacuum the whole room again. And actually it's almost full container of dust and pet hair. As you can see, the robot vacuum actually does not have that great suction, and I have to add that it was working on a maximum suction. After using this vacuum for over 3 months, I noticed that it's not so good on carpeted areas. It's pretty good on the floor. I will show you the test of mopping mode as well. And so like I said, it's pretty good on the hardwood floors or tile floors, but it's not so good on carpeted areas. It will clean the carpet, it will look much better than if you won't vacuum at all, but as you can see, after using the Dyson just right after the robot vacuum actually cleaned the whole area here, Dyson picked up actually a lot of dust and pet hair, and so it's not doing such a good job. But overall, you know, if we're talking about carpeted areas, if you will be using that just in between vacuuming with regular vacuum, it will help to, you know, to keep your house clean, and especially if you have allergies and like dust allergies, it will help to maintain the house, you know, in between of vacuuming with regular vacuum, but you still, you know, have to do that, and you can't replace a regular vacuum with this little robot vacuum. Spilled some coffee on the floor. We're going to see how it's going to handle it. As you can see, it actually handled pretty well. Clean all the spilled coffee on the floor. Like I said, it's pretty good on a hardwood floor. On carpeting, not so much. Also, every time you use it, you have to clean the brushes, because look what's happening here. So I wasn't doing that after every use, and afterwards I didn't even know that this brush didn't even spindle, because it was so filthy and a lot of hair was caught in it. So you have to do that actually pretty much after every use, especially on the carpeted area. Also, this brush and this little one here, it's replaceable, so when they're getting used up, you can just replace them with new ones. They're not that expensive to purchase, because I purchased this little one white here. It was like less than $4, and this one was around $8 to purchase replacement for this brush. Right now we're going to test the mop feature. What you can see here, it's a dust and water tank. You can easily remove it, just pull it like that. You just put it over like this. This actually pad, you have to slide in here when you want to install, and then actually put over like that. But we're going to use disposable pad today. Right now we're testing mopping. It's actually set up with a maximum water use right now. We're testing mopping mode right now. Actually, mopping mode is working very good on the hard floors. overall, I think it's pretty good vacuum. It helps to keep your house clean, but I wouldn't say you can replace regular vacuum and mop with it. You saw how much dust Dyson collected right after LightStraw finished cleaning the carpet area. And also you can't add any solution to the water, so washing your floors just with water won't sanitize it. So you still have to vacuum and clean your floors time to time, but I think it's really, helps you to keep them clean in between. Manufacturer says that this vacuum recognizes the surfaces, which I do not think it's true, because when I had the vacuum on mopping and vacuuming mode, when it got to the carpet, it started to mopping the carpet as well. So I don't think it recognizes the surfaces like they say. But you can resolve this issue in the app. In app, you can just divide the rooms and name the rooms. You can set up different modes for every room. So if you have like one room is carpeted and the rest is hardwood floors, you can just divide it and set up different modes for every room, and problem will be resolved. The app is very helpful because it will draw the map after the first cleaning, and then, like I said, you can edit it, you can divide the rooms, you can name the rooms, you can set up custom modes for every room, you can set up even schedule or start the vacuum remotely when you're not home. This is really great feature. This vacuum also has self-emptying dustbin, so it's helpful when you have allergies, because you don't have really contact with the dust. You don't have to do anything. It will empty on its own, and even if the dust bag is full, you can just take it out and put the new one without touching the dust. This vacuum can go above obstacles as high as 0.8 inch, which is almost like 2 centimeters. And I think that this is a good thing, considering that most of the robot vacuums have problems with slightly elevated surfaces. But I noticed one thing, that you have to be careful with cables laying down on the floor, because it can get stuck on it. After using this vacuum for about 3 months right now, I think it was a good decision to buy it, and it helps me really to keep my house clean, especially with our busy schedule and 2 dogs, which are, losing a lot of fur. But if you're looking for something to replace your regular vacuum, especially if you have a lot of carpeted area in your house, I think that it's not going to work, because you still will have to vacuum and wash your floors time to time. I hope that this video will help you to make right decision. If you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comments down below. And in the meantime, give us thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!